Changing your linked bank account in Acorns sounds simple, right? But how many of you have actually tried it and hit a snag? Maybe you've closed an old account, switched to a new bank, or just want to optimize your Acorns roundups and investments. Whatever your reason, navigating the process can feel a bit like trying to find a specific acorn in a forest, especially when your money is involved. You're probably here because you've experienced that moment of when you realize your old bank account is still tied to your Acorns investments, or perhaps you're planning a switch and want to avoid any hiccups. The good news is, it's a completely manageable process, but there are a few key steps and considerations that can make all the difference between a smooth transition and a frustrating delay. We're going to dive deep into exactly how to switch banks in Acorns, covering everything from the initial steps to troubleshooting common issues, ensuring your financial journey with Acorns remains on track and stress-free. So, let's talk about why this is even a topic worth dedicating a full video to. It might seem like a simple button press, but the reality is, financial platforms like Acorns are built with security and compliance in mind. This means there are safeguards to prevent unauthorized changes and ensure your investments are always linked to a legitimate source. For you, the user, this translates into a slightly more involved process than just updating your Netflix payment method. We'll walk through the security protocols, the verification steps, and even discuss why Acorns might ask for certain information, all to give you a complete understanding and empower you to make these changes confidently. First things first, before you even open the Acorns app, it's crucial to have your new bank account details handy. This includes your bank's name, your account number, and your routing number. While Acorns uses a secure third-party service to link accounts, having this information readily available will expedite the process. Think of it like preparing for a journey. You wouldn't leave home without your map, would you? Similarly, having your banking details organized will make the Acorns journey much smoother. Now, let's open the Acorns app. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Profile or Settings section. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on the latest app update, but generally, you're looking for an area that allows you to manage your personal and financial information. This is where you'll find options related to your linked accounts. Within the Profile or Settings menu, look for an option like Linked Accounts, Funding Sources, or Bank Accounts. This is your gateway to managing the financial institutions connected to your Acorns investments. Tapping on this option will typically display your currently linked bank account. To add a new bank account, you'll usually see a clear button or link, often labeled Add New Account or Link New Bank. This is where the magic begins. Acorns, like many financial apps, uses a service called Plaid to securely connect to your bank. Plaid acts as an intermediary, allowing you to log into your bank through Acorns without directly sharing your banking credentials with Acorns itself. This is a significant security feature that protects your sensitive information. When prompted, you'll be directed to a screen where you can search for your new bank. Start typing the name of your bank, and a list of options should appear. Select your bank from the list. Once you've selected your bank, Plaid will then ask you to securely log in using your online banking credentials. This is where you'll enter your username and password for your new bank account. It's vital to ensure you are on a secure Plaid screen and not a phishing attempt. Always double-check the URL and look for the padlock icon in your browser or app. Remember, you are logging into your bank through Plaid, not directly into Acorns. This step authorizes Plaid to connect to your account and verify ownership, allowing Acorns to then link to it for transfers and roundups. After successfully logging into your bank through Plaid, you will typically be presented with a list of your accounts at that institution. If you have multiple checking or savings accounts, you will need to select the specific account you want to link to Acorns for your roundups and recurring investments. Choose wisely, as this will be the primary source for your funds. Once you've selected the account, Plaid will confirm the connection, and you will be redirected back to the Acorns app. At this point, you should see your newly linked bank account displayed in your Linked Accounts section. It's often a good idea to set this new account as your primary funding source, especially if you intend to close the old one. There's usually an option to set as primary or make default next to your newly added bank account. Now, what about removing the old bank account? Once you've successfully added and confirmed your new bank account, you should see an option to remove the previously linked account. This might be a remove button, an unlink option, or a similar control next to the old account. Tapping this will prompt you to confirm the removal. Be absolutely sure your new account is fully set up and active before you remove the old one, to avoid any disruption to your Acorns investments or roundups. It's important to understand the implications of switching your primary linked bank. All future roundups and recurring investments will be drawn from this new account. If you have pending roundups or withdrawals, they might be affected. It's always a good idea to check your pending transactions and ensure they are processed before making a change, if possible, to avoid any confusion or delays. Now, let's address some common issues and troubleshooting tips. What if your bank isn't listed in Plaid? While Plaid supports thousands of financial institutions, there's always a small chance your specific bank might not be directly integrated. In such cases, you might need to contact Acorns support directly. They can sometimes offer alternative methods for linking your account, though these might involve manual verification processes. Another common issue is failed login attempts through Plaid. Double-check your online banking username and password. Remember, these are your bank's credentials, not your Acorns credentials. If you're certain your login details are correct, try logging directly into your bank's website or app to ensure there are no issues with your online banking access. Sometimes, temporary glitches or maintenance on your bank's end can cause connection problems. Waiting a bit and trying again often resolves these. What if you're trying to remove an old bank account but it won't let you? This usually happens if the old account is still designated as your primary funding source, or if there are pending transactions tied to it. Ensure your new account is set as primary and that all transactions from the old account have cleared before attempting to remove it. If the issue persists, contacting Acorns customer support is your best bet. They can investigate the specific reason and assist you in delinking the account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.